Hey you guys, my name is Cherri and welcome to Vlogmas Day 21. In today's video, I'm going to be making another holiday treat. Today we're going to be making Oreo Santa Claus. I found this recipe, well not recipe, well I guess it is a recipe. I found this recipe on Pinterest. I will show you the picture just so you'll have a reference point. I have no idea how this is about to turn out, but we're gonna try our best. First, let me show you all of the ingredients that I will be using to make my Oreo Santa Clauses. So I have a pan to lay the Santas out. I also have some avocado oil because I don't have parchment paper. So I'm hoping this will kind of create a layer on the pan so that the chocolate doesn't get stuck. I also have some candy melts. I have vanilla. I was looking for the red ones, but they didn't have them in stock. So I had to get some red food coloring. So we're gonna see how this works out, but let's hope for the best. I also have a fondue. I guess it's like a fondue or a heater. Oh gosh, is my chocolate burning already? Oh Lord. I also have the double stuffed Oreos, some M&Ms, and cookie icing. So the first thing I'm going to do is just put a layer of the avocado oil on the pan. I'm trying to move fast because my chocolate is burning. So let's do 2, 4, 6. We'll do 6 Santa Clauses. So if you look at Oreo, it actually says Oreo on it. So this is going to be our point of reference. I don't know if you noticed, I got the chocolate Oreos because, you know, Santa is black over here. So we're gonna use the word Oreo as our point of reference, and the first thing we're going to do is work on his beard. So you're gonna take the Oreo and dip it into the chocolate. This may or may not work out for me. Oh my god, the chocolate is like burning. Oh god. Okay, and once it looks like a beard, you're gonna just place it on your pan. Look at the beard. That looks so cute. I can see it in my head. I really can. Maybe if I, oh gosh. Please chocolates, hang in there. Hang in there, I still need to turn you red. So now I'm going to take the Christmas red food coloring. And my assumption is you just have to pour a little bit in. I'm gonna do it with a knife. We're just gonna take, oh, this doesn't look like food coloring. That looks like jelly. And then I'm gonna mix it up. Oh, it's hot. All right, I'm just trying to get red chocolate here, people. It's turning red, but we may need some more food coloring. Why is it getting thicker? I think I messed up. I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna give up. No, I'm not giving up. Oh God. Oh, this is so frustrating. Oh, what do I do? Maybe if I put some in the microwave. Let's see what happens when I do that. I'm just having some technical difficulties. I don't know what's happening. Let's see. Oh gosh. I think I messed up the texture. I don't know what to do. So we have a change of plans. I just realized that I picked up the wrong food coloring. It says that it is for icing, okay? So it's icing color. It's not like food coloring for any old fluid, right? My mistake. So what I'm going to do, or what I'm doing right now, is I'm melting some chocolate and I'm going to make the chocolate barks instead of the chocolate Santas. I'm so obsessed upset that I couldn't try this. I guess this is human error, right? I really thought this was gonna work out. I'm kind of sad. Things don't always go as planned, right? I caught myself trying something new, that's all. And it didn't work out. It just did, oh God. It just did not work out. So I'm going to create these little chocolates. You know what I will do? I will put, you know, pictures of what the snowmen were supposed to look like, and I'll link the steps down in the description box, just so you guys, if you want to create them on your own, you would be able to. I mean, this isn't so bad, you know. I got the candy melt stencil from Michael's. They had a bunch. They have different ones, but I chose this one because when I think about like chocolates that I would want to bite into, squares would be the easiest for me, you know. Michael's, and then if you have like a AC Moore or a Hobby Lobby. Fun fact, I used to work at AC Moore. I used to love that job because anything with like arts and crafts and creativity, I loved it. Like I knew how to do everything, right? Except for creating like wreaths, like wreath arrangements or table arrangements. I've never been good with stuff like that, but when it came to everything else, like the baking section, the scrapbooking section was my jam. The knitting section, where all the yarns were, glassware. I mean, there's nothing really important about glassware. Oh, the stained glass. I remember I was able to do some of those. I was just a creative kid, I guess. So yeah, I used to love working at AC Moore. And then management had changed and they kind of took the fun out of the job, and that was the end of that. But I met some really great people working at AC Moore. I'm kind of pressing the M&Ms in to make sure they're stuck in the chocolate. Boom. So I'm going to put these chocolate melts in the freezer and I'll be back when they're ready. So today has been eventful to say the least. My plans did not work out and honestly I just have to get over it. It's a little frustrating because I wanted to make the snowman, but I'm not even gonna vent right now. It's okay. I just took the chocolates out of the freezer, so here they are. They actually came out really cute. You can see the shapes. We have some snowmen, some snowflakes. Cute, cute, cute. And I even put my poor little Oreo snowman here as well. I would try to bite into it, but I just took them out of the freezer, so I don't even think that I should do that unless I plan on making a dentist appointment tomorrow. So I'm just gonna leave that alone, all right? So that is pretty much it for today's video, you guys. If you liked it, definitely give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know what you would have done differently. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And turn on that post notification bell so you'll never miss an upload from me. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Oh my goodness! We have 4 more days of Vlogmas left. Can you believe it? The whole month of December. It flew by. Anyways, I hope to see you guys tomorrow for some more holiday content. Bye!